Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the flavors of my spicy egg and bean sprout stir fry with longhorn pepper. Let's jump right in. For this recipe, you'll need some key ingredients: fresh bean sprouts, eggs, vibrant longhorn pepper, and fragrant cilantro. Start by blanching the bean sprouts in boiling water and then setting them aside. Next, scramble your eggs and cook them into delightful bite-sized pieces. Reserve for later. Slice up the longhorn pepper and cut the cilantro into lovely segments. Now, heat up a bit of cooking oil in your pan. Give the longhorn pepper a quick saute, then introduce the spicy yellow bean sauce and oyster sauce. Stir fry until everything harmonizes beautifully. Bring in those scrambled eggs, blending them seamlessly into the mix. Toss in your washed and drained bean sprouts, ensuring they're just perfectly cooked. Finally, sprinkle in the cilantro, giving it all a good toss. Plate this delicious creation. Believe me, it's so good it might just outshine your usual meat dishes. Give this recipe a try and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.